God dey bless our Nigerian men wey dey for obodo oyibo wey don comot for heart at all. God dey bless them, but some of them na social media we for dey see their wealth. We no dey see am for Nigeria. Please, mona try, mona still dey do something back home to empower our youth, not to come dey threa ten them for social media.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. For this our channel, na tori now we dey talk and na pidgin English will take the knack our tori for you. So today's story come concern one businessman, Prince Obieze. He dey stay for Dubai. The guy Ojiego, when you say person hold money, he get money well, he get many pictures and videos for his Instagram, because in a person wey be say he dey upload any video every time. If he buy car, he dey always dey flaunt all his wealth for social media, for his Instagram. He come make one particular video. In short, when me even watch that video, my head na so he grow dada. I say na money be this one? I say this one na real abi na fake? Because the money but I know say person no fit fake all those kind of money. Na real money. If you see the way he hip am, I never see that kind of money before, my people. According to the source, so the news, they come talk and say
the video na una dey see so, una see money. The video na be this one, so una just dey see so.
To the source, they say immediately he post this video for his Instagram. You know, na AK people they come gbaba. They carry am go Kirikiri. They say when they carry am put for Kirikiri, they don't allow anybody come see am. According to wetin they talk, they say the girlfriend, they not let her enter there. Even lawyer papa, they not gree me anybody go see am. The next thing when they come, they say na RIP. Now they say this bros not the sick. This bros they okay. How come? Because say do video put for Instagram, una come baba. Now una say na RIP. Person wey be say not sick, una go bring this brother come out too. Before they do, they say they don't carry go mortuary. My people, that's how the story take handle. The way our people take the payment for other people country. When be say something go just happen, when be say investigation need to take place. Our country, Nigeria, our embassy, they know they shook mouth put. They know they fight the matter. Sorry to say this, so they know they fight the matter to even make people know say whether na bad thing he do good thing. We need to know wetin happen to am, because we no fit just dey die like fowl like this. Embassy no dey shook mouth put. Once they don say don finish be that, na okpari be that. E no really good o. Not that maybe I dey support make people do bad thing or commit crime. No, I'm not supporting crime. But no matter anything wey happen, we need to know wetin kill the person, because there are some people wey be say they dey innocent. If you never judge them, say they don prove guilty for court, you no fit say they commit crime, and they no fit die before they prove guilty for court. E no supposed to be so. So e good maybe say make Nigeria, because if you just call that country Nigeria for any other country, na don't care. Nobody dey care for you. Say this bros life e na very important. To make other people wey dey another person country learn say put your leg for ground well. No argue, no drag, no do anything wey go come cause anything wey go come be say dey okpeme you, because nobody will come out come ask question. Your family wey dey for Nigeria, they no go fit come that country when you dey just come to buy now, come dey take lawyer, dey fight. I no believe say his family go fit do all those things, because na long distance and person wey don die don die. Now let's see to what that so. And again, why all this flaunting of things on social media? Only Nigeria now see say they go get something. If they never bring and come out for social media, their body no go tell them. Some of we in Nigeria, we dey too proud. If we buy anything, we want bring and come social media. We get money, we want bring and come social media. People dey when people say they get pass us, they shocking. You no go hear am for their mouths. Now when they'll begin they spend the money, now you know say this person get this kind of money. It's not good. How can somebody bring such money come out? How come? I don't know about other country. For this country where me dey so, you no dare get this kind of money for inside house now. It dey hard. Because if you want collect money for bank, it get amount where you fit collect reach in a month. And if you collect more than that, the machine no go gree give you money again. If you reach inside office, they no go gree give you the money. They go tell you say, make you go meet oga patapata for office for bank. That one go come carry you sit down. They ask you question, how you take get the money, or wetin you want use the money do. If they see say the thing not clear for them, they'll come call the AK people when be saying that they take care of money. We they call the guardian the finance for you. That is the AK people when be saying that they dey into money matter. They'll come call those one. Those one will come enter inside. They want know what you want use the money do. They want know how you take get the money. Now so that they do for this country. So that Dubai, how come you can't get all those kind of money for inside house? The money vanish. Me I don't understand though. Maybe as a big businessman, maybe get right to carry such money for inside house. But if I don't see put on for social media now, anyone has this question. Some people they say money they control people. Now true say money they control people. And they say if you want no person too, now when the person get money, that many people they proud. But if they not get, you'll see say they humble. You'll see say they nice. But when money don't come, you can't see proudness in this money. Now touch and leave. No, not they let money they control us. How many Oyibo people you don't see say they carry money? So me don't do this social media. Me I never see any Oyibo when go you they show money, or come they show property. I never see you. Now only we black, especially we Nigerians. Now we they do this thing, and we do another person country. Una think say the people who are their country, their eye go dey sweet. Wey be say you when you come from another country, you just dey flaunt property money like this. Then when they inside the country, they not get. Una think say their belle go sweet. Wetin cause fight for South Africa that day? Not be they see say Nigerians when they there, they live more than them. Not be all of them take provoke. They begin they peme them, peme Africa people, peme Nigeria people. Not be wetin cause quarrel that time. That one now will be Africa. How much more you can't dey for obodo oyibo, you dey other country, you dey get things like this, you dey flaunt am. They not go dey happy with you now. If you even to dress, not be say you even dey flaunt, say you can't to guard, you can't to wear marker. If they look you, you dey waka they go they look you, they go say na black na gauge like this. How much more say you just gonna carry all your wealth, all your money, put for social media, your cars? They not go dey happy now. We see they advise ourselves, because how many of them they do all these things what they do? All they all say before you feel bring all this one come out for social media, most still try, most still they help our country people, most still they help them. Not because they flaunt money for social media, be the team. Most see they do something for us, do projects. All this money when this bros carry come now, if you use and create one big company for Nigeria, when we say employment, it go there for our youth. Only this money alone, carry and go Nigeria, go invest am. You know how many employment it go create? The same way we talk am. Nigerians wey dey for obodo oyibo, God really dey bless them. At least 90% or 85% of Nigerians wey don comot for that country, they get money now. God dey bless them. But some of them, or most of them, now social media for they see their wealth. Social media now for they see am. We know they see am for Nigeria. We need una for Nigeria. Be say now be the choosing one. We be say he get money for obodo oyibo. Man now go Nigeria, go invest. Many of them they get the money. If they reach Nigeria, they go buy cars. 50 cars go there for compound. Better money car. They not go even use one for 1 year. So why wasting all this wealth when we say you can create or do things in that our country, Nigeria? Our government not they help us, but we still help ourselves. I first still make example. If I don't talk, I don't tire. Akon dey there, Hector dey there, Doba dey there, all those people, they be Africa people wey be say they make their money for foreign land. The country now changes still dey. Me never see any big one. We still get big bros. Don't be, I mean, surprised. I don't even know this map, this bros before. Now me even know say we still get person like this as a Nigerian man wey e get wet like this. Our country still there. We cannot even boast of a good hospital private. We cannot boast of a big company where you employ a lot of people. Abeg, most they support the government fail us. Let's help ourselves individual. Una wey e dey another country where God don bless, una carry am reach us. Una no dey use am dey tempt our youth people wey be say dem dey Nigeria, make their mind don come dey change, dey find the easiest way to get money. Dey encourage our youth make dem no go do ritualists, make dem no go do gbomogbomo o. Make una try to dey empower our youth o. May e so rest in perfect peace o. You see ana, if una dey but any country wey una dey, una know say anything happen na so e reach o. No justice. So who know as e math be, may know as e go take like that put o. I go stop this my story for here. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave your opinion down there. What do you think about this story, about our brothers wey be say they don made for foreign land, they no wan go back home go invest their money? What una think about them? What do you think about this video? Please leave your comment down there. Your comment is very, very important. We are not just here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video right now, you are going to help and save some people and also change situation of that country, Nigeria. And thank you so much for watching. I also want to say a very big thank you to all my viewers, my subscribers, the commenters, everybody that have been supporting this channel in one way or the other. That Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. If you call 1,000, we answer you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T.